I'm curious what kind of destructive war weapon did the United States shows the world leaders on United Nations gathering to the point that he was able to control their world leaders and he was able to pacify the upcoming World War III. If the security of Kingdom of Saudi Arabia, just like what I've told you, in 20 minutes you will die, how much more the 50 states of United States of America? And he just summoned the world leaders on a UN gathering. It includes His Majesty of the Royal of the Kingdom Saudi Arabia. I am curious of what kind of devastating weapon did the president shows them all to the point that they recognized United States as the leader of the United Nations. In Tagalog, anong katakot-takot at katindig-tindig na balahibo ang ipinakita ng Amerika sa lahat ng leader ng bansa? And the President of the United States is happy about it because there is no other US president recorded in history that was able to do it like how he did it. There is no other president of the United States did do it and was able to stop. Or I did remember he mentioned the president of the United States mentioned stop stop at least 4 to 5 wars happening globally. Nakakasayang lang dahil hindi nakasama yung Pilipinas. I'm wondering what kind of terror did he show to them to the point that they were pacified. And I will be watching the news if the leaders still continue the war.